Groovy.
Alright guys, so that's your HHN update so far. Looking pretty solid.
There's not too much construction on the Waterworld maze location right now, but the metro sets are looking pretty good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Parisian Courtyard has the 10 up as well. So the JPQ is looking good as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more construction updates, Halloween Horror Nights speculation. We're gonna have maze walkthroughs. And then besides that, there's gonna be a new segment on the channel. Drum roll please, thank you. The Horror Movie Club. So we're gonna be doing 2 movie reviews every month, and it's gonna be a conversation that we have back and forth. You guys can suggest movies on my Twitter and in the comments down below. My Twitter's awkwardarsic, just like the channel. These next 2 months though are gonna be Halloween Horror Nights related, and then every month after Horror Nights we'll do 2 movies. So suggest any that you want to see down below, and then we'll just kind of talk about them in the future. So yeah, see you guys later.